peeps, welcome back to my channel, and you know this is your girl Kelly. Yeah man peeps, so this is the grill pan setup, you know people. Yeah man, as I say, I'm a subscriber from England send it to me because he say want to grill some chicken and things see when him come down. Yeah man, so big up my subscriber and many thanks to him again. Yeah man peeps, so as today they're on an adventure now, so we have some roast chicken and so yeah man peeps, as me say we have jerk some chicken and jerk some fish today. Yeah man peeps, as me say the fish already seasoned up from overnight, well marinated. Yeah man peeps, this is it. Yeah man, and see the chicken here. Yeah man, well marinated people. Yeah. Yeah man peeps, so I get the vegetables seasoned up to stuff the fish. Yeah man peeps, so that I go on today. Yeah man people, so I'm gonna just go and take in some of the view, if any. Yeah man peeps, look like someone want to cook today. Yeah, so I go make some cucumber juice people. Yeah man, Papi go blend up some cucumber juice. Yeah man peeps, that is what's going on today here. Thank you.
Yes, people. This is the whole of the view in Mobile city, you know. Right on the hilltop, people, yeah. I'm going to the whole of the view, you know. See down there, sir. See a boat there on sea. Coconut tree, tambourine tree, people, everything there. It's a blessing in a place, people. Tambourine tree, happy tree, people. Happy tree, people. Big up puppy, you know. Bird, I'm gonna come over this to the people. Up on the view, people. Up on the view, people. The view, nice, people. On the hilltop there, no people. Yeah, man, one of them there, man, I can link up with great chef, man. Kelly TV, man. You have accommodation for any amount of people. You know? You have a huge place. Anybody want to come spend a day, spend 2 days, could have spent 1 month, could have spent a week, could have spent a year if you don't want a place there for. You know? Come take in some of them view here. I have some nice grilled chicken, you know? And the grill, man, jerk chicken in Jamaica, yeah? People. And take in some of them view here and drink some of the real Jamaican rum. Janko Batty. As my people up on the view. No, miss out nothing. Me are going up everything, people. Everything me are going up. Nothing no miss out, people. Everything me are going up. Whole of the viewers. Me say up on the hilltop. Kelly there no people. Few people. People. Miss Chin, the people. That is Miss Chin. Jamaica, nice people. I'll be nice to people, Montego Bay. You know, nice. Up on the view, people. Up on the view, people. Up on the beautiful view, people. A lot of fruits tree. You know, people. Yeah, man. As we say, time when I'm ready, man. Just link up with great chef Kelly, you know. Ready for any adventure. If you like, you know, people, subscribe, you know, man, share, you know, tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend, you know. Tell up to the dog and the dog tell up to the puss, you know, people, and the puss up to tell the rat, you know, people. And the rat tell up to the lizard, you know, people, and the lizard tell up to the ants, you know, people. Yeah, man, that's how we do it thing, man. No, love the sign of people. Yeah. If you have a body, we're not for yourself alone. See it, people. And a beautiful sunset, people. A beautiful sunset, people. On the sunset there. The sunset there. Beautiful sunset, people. See the view, people. Yeah, so I'm not get the whole of the view, you know. As I said, Pani Hilltop. Pani Hilltop. No, I mean. Come on, people. Hit that man. Go sky, people. Looking at the sky, people. Yeah man, poppy over there so people. They get the juice together. You know the great cucumber juice, you know people. You know, great cucumber juice. You know? Yeah man. A little storeroom that you know people. I store all the tool them you know. For the builder them you know. And the builder them ready to come and build the tabernacle. You see me people? Yeah man. You know. Not just go and follow no yeah, you know, people. You see me? All the way run funny. The Kelly TV. Them live funny video, you know, people. Yeah, man. Them live, people. You see me? You know, people. Them live, man. Hmm? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. Taking a great shift, you know, people.
Yeah, man, peeps, as you can see, we get the fish stuff.
Yeah, man, people. Yeah, man, back again for the epic video, you know. You see me? Yeah? The papi get the juice together there. Yeah? Cucumber juice, people. In cucumber juice with ginger. You know that thing, people, though. Yeah, man, storeroom that you know people store up all the things them for the tool man them, innit? For the mason man them. The carpenter man, the shade man. The mama Kelly get the thing them together, you know. I mean,
Peeps, you like it.
get the fish them together. You know. Test out the grill pan. Grill pan is shining up, people. See it? The grill pan is glistening. Over there, so you know, say. Over there, so people, you know, say Kelly has to start out the beautiful, how you start out? A bungo rice? Bungo rice? Yeah man people, bungo rice over there so. When I feel spaghetti, coconut spaghetti, but we don't know it come like in change the topic. This is my people, so anyway, go and check out Mama Kelly people. Get the fish them together. Look at that people, season good. Market season, supermarket season, all type of season where you can think of in the people. Yeah man, Mama Kelly will beat up the pimento seed. You know people, so you don't know so when the thing setting up, soak, you know, steam down, you know, people on the grill pan, you know the thing set when it come down. Take water and I tell you. You know go on people right there, so you see it. Yeah man, find them nice snapper your people. You know what kind of fish them your Mama Kelly?
Red snapper.
Red snapper people. Yeah, we go on the menu in the grill pan, we'll lock up and sort out. Yeah, that people go and check in, no man, take in a view, no man. We have that phone too, no man, we have view. How this your people? Nice camera, buck up on him. And it's a hide it on, you know, people. Love hide, you know. Yeah, man. See beautiful sunset, the people are that and I love, you know. You know, say you're nice people and you're great. That's why if you serve him and believe in him, you know, people. Yeah, man, look at them real nice people. Look at the beautiful view, people. Look at that. Yeah, man, just go and take in the people, man. And the beautiful flowers, them are people. On the pinnacle of the mountain top. See beautiful flowers, them people. Yeah. Yeah, man. You saw nature beautiful though, people. Nature nice, man. Bro, see him there? Colorful, man, you know, people. Well, full of color. Color bright. See that, people? Yeah, man, I'm the juice man, man in black. See that, people? So you don't know, you know? How that the people? How that people? Remember, I don't know this little man here, you know? For him born, for him eye that need till him a number what? 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1. See it? Left and 0 now, people. My number 1 for the cookie pot. I don't know. Yeah, man. See Miss Davis, the people. Miss Davis in a red ass here. Yeah. And Miss Chinny Winnie. Chin Chin. Yeah, people. Yeah, man. Hey, man. Go and take in the grill from them people. Yeah, go and do them thing, you know. Yeah, man, as me say, you see the fire there over there, so people. Eh? And the gungu rice and peas, you go on that. You see this a little fire, this a little grill pan here. Eat the chicken them again. You see this a big grill pan here. Or probably the chicken them again are the big one. And the fish them going at the small one. What do you think about people? Comments and tell me. Comments right now and tell me what I go on. Tell me what to do. Comments and tell me what to do, people. Anyway, Mama Kelly over there, so you smile like a smiling chicken. Everything up and with them people, you know. So, Mama Kelly, man. That people. Oh, wait, people. Guess who miss out? Davo. Jack. Alpha Jack. Daniel. He miss out, you know, people. Jack Daniel miss out, you know. After you get the juice them together, cucumber juice, you know, or refreshing people, the great cucumber juice, the ginger people, I know them the ginger juice, you know, the water and cut up and put it on it, ginger water and put it tonight. Let us blender, and I put it in. Yeah, man, people, Mama Kelly. Put that shit in the grill. For the grill pan, you know. It's that people. That? Oh, you mean Mama Kelly? One of them there, you know, people not come join Mama Kelly, you know. As me say, just go and tap up the screen, you know. You see me, people, and Mama Kelly place big, you know, people. If you don't want to come spend 40 years in a trouble, you know, can't come, people. You see me? Yeah, man. Anybody who don't want to bring man, no bring them, man, people. You see me right on the hilltop. You have in Villa right on the hilltop, people. What's there? Look over there, so people. That's the scream over there, people. Look over there, so it's Villa. It's Villa. Yeah, man, people. See it? See nature, people are pretty. Mango tree over there, so. And talk loud, so they come pick mango them in there, full people. Yeah. Yeah, man, fire ready, people, everything up and running. Mama Kelly, you're doing thing now. Sort out, you know, people. Yeah, man, the people get the fish down together. Look at that, people. Look at that, people. That, people. Dash you, people. That you go on, man. Very great to have them on.
Yeah, man, peeps, this is it. Yeah, man, just stay tuned and watch what they go on, you know. Any.
Oh, that people. 0 from 0 to 1 people. I am this 0 to 1. I am this people 0 to 1. Come on, this are the old grill pan people. You know? Good Samaritan man. Good Samaritan of Kelly. Good Samaritan of Kelly Brown. Watch where them dash to Kelly Brown. Beautiful grill pan people. You see it? That's what God good do. I see where Kelly Brown we have enough people. That's why you do no grilling. Watch your people. Make sure no belly bottom. Gone. Show no belly bottom people. Gone. I say people. No bottom no night. Gone people. You see that? Yeah man, so one good Samaritan man. Just dash a grill pan. Give me, you know? Yeah man. Pop over there so you get the great cucumber and ginger. Refreshing, you know man, Joe. See it there? Yeah man.
Yeah man peeps, so now getting the chicken there now. Thumbs up and thumb.
Yeah man, people see chicken gone in a grill pan, you know, people. Beautiful people. Yeah man, remember you know people, no subscribe and share, you know man. Or just one Kelly Brown, you know people. There is no more, you know, one enough. One and all, you know people, Kelly Brown, you know. You see me? There is no more, you know people, just one, you know people. As we say, what your channel's name again, Kelly Brown?
Kelly Jamaica TV.
You hear that people? Kelly Jamaica people. So like, share and subscribe to her, you know people. You see it?
Comments.
And comment, you know people. You see it? And tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. And a friend tell him family, and tell him mother, and tell him uncle, and tell him father, and tell him niece, and tell him nephew, and tell him brother, and tell him sister, and tell him dog tell him puss, the puss tell him rat, the rat tell him lizard, the lizard tell him hands. That's how you going up people, come down to it, you know man. Pack it, that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, man peeps, so we go take a look for one of the jerk chicken now. Peeps, so let me look at people. Yeah man peeps, fish them go on with themselves man. Wish you could have smelled them you know peeps. Man of people them.
Yeah man people. No? Chicken done. Roast them now. Up on there, fish the people.
Chicken leg, you mash up your
The people.
pizza.
Right now, me night people. All when me have video, man, me night right now. Right now, me start mash down. See gungo rice over there, okay?
Dog boy.
Start chips. Fish nice. Chicken nice. Gungo rice nice. Can me start my thing now, people. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know, Kelly Brown. Yeah, man. Big up your thing, yeah?
Yeah.
You know how to deal with the issue, man. You see me? Anybody around you can't hungry.
Yeah, man peeps, so this is it. And remember people to like, share, comment and subscribe to the peeps.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man people.
Outside, you know?
Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so this is it man. Yeah man. Continue to stay tuned and watch where they go and look peeps.
Yeah man, people. After the little baby, with them roast chicken leg, what are you like that people? See that? Yeah man, people. You know, after the people just come in. Yeah man, the camera, we have a camera problem, people. You see me? Yeah, see Chin here. Chin almost done in food, people. You see me? Food nice, man. Yeah? Food nice. What you say, Chin?
The food bad man.
How you mean? See the people, I fish here tear up there now. See that nice fish there. Yeah man. What you say, Dav? What you say, second round's that? Yeah man, people man. Yeah man, people. Me do one already, people, but through camera, we have camera problem, you know, so just work with the big lady people. See it there? Food nice man, you know. Yeah, everything sort out people man, you know.
Yeah man, peeps. So this is it, peeps. Yeah.
My one that they serve it for me no peeps. Yeah, but through my cameraman, me mouth here drain water for the food, but I can't do better than to just go and video thing and hold it.
Yeah man, people, so we'll catch up on another adventure, you know, peeps.
Yeah man, peeps. It man, see view the people. See view there. Down in the city that peeps, you see it? But more be a pretty people. We're up on the hilltop people, you see that? Yeah man, people. Hit that people. View that people man. Maybe a city that peeps. We're up on the hilltop people, so when we look down in the city, we see everything. Yeah man, when you're not ready man, you just subscribe to the thing in the people. Yeah man, you know. And comments, you know. Yeah man, press the like button man. Tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend man, you know. Yeah, tell up to no father and no mother. Yeah man, tell up to no uncle, no auntie. Yeah man, tell up to no brother or no sister. Yeah man, tell up to no cousin, you know. Yeah man, and then you don't know. Yeah man, tell up to no dog man, and the dog tell the puss man, and the puss tell the rat man. And the rat tell the lizard man, you know. And the lizard tell the hands. You know people? Yeah man, I hate that man. Just go and big up on yourself man, you know. Yeah man, I say come down to man. Yeah man. Gilpan did a well bex, you know, people, because everything come out time out, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, people. Yeah man, people, white lady, I go and max up in thing. See me people? Sweet white lady people. What you say, Kelly Brown?
Man, peeps, food bad.
You have the people. Yeah, and Papi just come in, you know. Yeah man. What you say about the juice?
Juice bad man.
Yeah man.
Papi knows we doing thing.
Yeah, that people, Kelly Jamaica TV, yeah? How you mean, outside? Yeah, man. Come on, Papi. Everything empty, Papi. Yeah, man, I hate that people. Out to the sky.